Welcome, here I've got Vodafone Smart Platinum 7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here in the general settings category we have GPS tagging option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap on it, we get quick access to the gallery. This is the photo. Let's tap on the center to get access to gallery options. And now let's move to the right corner here. And here we can pick the details and also show it on map. So let's start with the details. As you can see, we can check the full address here. And when we go back to the gallery, tap here once again, we can pick to show it on map, and now we go directly to the Google Maps and we can check our location at the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.